Randy here, Jamaica Good Life. May I talk to a viewer? The man say watch every video upon the channel. First talk to me about that. What you mean you watch every video upon Jamaica Good Life?
I still, just the one for still. Cause I see the one with the eat a dinner with the man will get the sheep. I think this is the one with the sheep at the time, but when you see when you and them stung at the talk about the country life and them a cook and you know how kind of people is and all them things there anyway. I really enjoyed the little episode there. I'm gonna see again for a good while. Now I took my strip on the internet and see this to make a good life pop up. And I say, well, you have more episode there, man. And there's so much shares, yeah, do it. Come and start watch everyone now, you know, the 9 night them with Baba, the fire burning and all them things. They really at the studio, voice out. Every single one, you know, every day, I say, night time, I say, all right, 1 more hour. And by the time I take a day light out. Because during COVID and thing, you know, just stick them. So I don't really want to watch nothing negative. I tell you that the murder, tell you everything where them a show up on the YouTube. So I just want to watch something positive. And I learn a couple new dishes too. Like a chef. You know what I mean?
So the program keep you up?
The program keep up, man. Just this song. How it starts. I just click on it and this tongue. You know me, that the local sound make me feel nice. I just like the song and everything. From that, I say, yeah, I'm ready to sing. You see me?
When you hear the
Gaza.
Yeah.
So much Gaza, I say, Gaza life come like my life. But they say, I saw we love our farming and we're hustling on the streets. See me? We'll get deported. I will say, we'll get deported. I will try to look both work and all them things. But I don't know, we conviction until we not really get the good work like that. So we have to just out there.
So you farm?
Well, right now, grandmother, our piece of land at St. lives right there. And we still go left out of the town and go take charge of it and, you know, do what we can do it. But it's a rough little 9 months to try to farm it up and things, man. And, you know, things come and we get keen and things are fired, you know. And corn and things, but, you know, neighbors and people are around, man, leave them ghosts and all them to come in down and destroy the place, you know. That's trouble, man.
How long you did there at the States?
From 2001 to 2007, you know, so about 5.5 years, you see me.
And you dip and come back here, so.
It was a rough life, man, I tell you, man, because when I really grow without father, you see me. When we born, I was about 1 year old before my father get sent away, get put up, get locked away, you see me?
Yeah.
And really my grandmother grew me, I think.
So how old are you is?
You know, sir, I'm 45, that's what the year, 30th November, God, we turned 45 for the year, you know.
So maybe you stay and ride motorcycle?
We say, man, as the man said the song, anyway, I'm lame, at that time, over, a cool motorcycle with a 450 and a 150.
So I can assume. Here's the hard question now. No, everybody them say deportees them are the worst in Jamaica. What you say about that?
Like them I say, man. Because a couple of them, them do spend time at the holding center them and all them things. But the man them do positive things. I tell them clothes, not RTF don't go them clothes and they have no intention to go back up or nothing at all. They will make a trip. Because you're not institutionalized and I try to be institutionalized as a person, you know. When they're young, you know. I'm sure you don't have no father, no guidance or nothing, you know. As I say, when I feel tell about them, I want a presidential clique, you know, man. So it was two. Here's the way. They were shot fly through with you, man. So they must say Jamaica wicked and Jamaica bad and them thing. When they come on my doorstep, because we gone down. As 1987 was gone down. Get shot in my back, fly to my chest and everything.
Mm.
And then nurse you back to health and everything, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Get a chance to go out with a belly full. A belly full as, you know what I mean, you see me?
Mm.
From the garrison, they want to go up and let him get to see a sheep.
Mm.
I will come off of the plane in England, so straight out prison.
Mm.
So let him get to see how the sheep them look. I see the road. One say, oh, you married so long. Immigration say, how long you married for? I tell her about 4 years. So you married so long, your rings so shine. That the ring just let the day before yesterday.
Mm. Yeah, cut out.
Yeah, that was like a little plan for the get somebody else go through him and not me a little deca, you know.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
So straight at jail, you know, plea guilty and everything. Until the judge said, well, we respect a guilty plea and everything, but we can't more than 7 years, you know.
7 years?
7 years.
Which part you spend that?
About 7 different prisoners. Because we had chip when time we reach up there, you know. Never know say some steer me reach up there, you know. Whole heap of fight and whole heap of I think when I tell you some is a threat to the good order and discipline of this establishment if I want to pay for them. When I tell you start I'm own a brewery in there, man. Everybody drunk at night time, man. Every want something drunk.
This, I forgot sit down and film your story with you looking at.
That's what I call it to them, man. Because I let him say, we're not calling you, what's done this much, we're not calling. But man, I say, just come in where I come say a notice, man, I'll do a while ago, you know. Because I was saying, that jerk chicken, because the chicken video, just watch a while ago, you know. Man, and I'm saying, jerk chicken on the streets and nigga lay down.
Yeah.
And I say, look for my profession, man. Look for my profession, I'm there, so waste time, and I'm going like at the end of the world. Because I'm on a local site, that's why I'm leave from St. Elizabeth, come camp out, you know. Camp up on a site and I do some site work and I build the house, them people them are moving and everything. But now the people them ready for the land and now, so all the camp them have to go move and now, you know. I have my local place at St. Elizabeth, you know, with 2 houses and whole heap of land we can farm.
Yeah.
As when I watch the program and I try to get the willpower and the encouragement to do, you know.
Wow.
And I said, maybe I blessed on the sky because I'm there at Kingston and the landlord that takes set from me free rent every minute. She actually can't wait on the day for come. So I'm saying, no, I can't have land a country. I'm there, so I go through all of this for and all of them. So I'm just go to my country and go live and things.
You want to stress you?
Yeah, rent. And sometimes the chicken that sell, like I could say, sometimes it's slower. I could have get to their rent there, I could have go get a extra bag of chicken and the lady just don't come with your money. I said, maybe just wait till Sunday, no man, me get the money, man. You know? Nah, give me a chance to double the money. Always I come up on a day when I have to go up on the road, you know? And it's stressing and embarrassing more time when she asks her money I can't find, man, something. I just relocate back to St. Elizabeth because everybody encouraged me and say, I can't do the same business as St. Elizabeth the same way. But we go up there, the friend says a farming district, you know, lively as town. So they tell me, say my cat disappear, my jerk pan disappear, my stove there disappear, because I leave from Mobile to St. Elizabeth, Mobile to St. Elizabeth. You know what I mean? We come work on the site, and weekend time I go down. But I go down, I see the window broke, our window force open, or the door force open. Gas stove gone. Go back, look, all the time I go down the back, all the bike gone, when my bike gone. The bike shop my seat park up on that tarpaulin. So somebody can come give him for fix. You see it? My grandmother left me with 2 hours. And me so good to some other guys and say, go and send the house there and watch the place. I'm like, I'm not going to no be a work and thing. And the man, they move everything out of my house, get enough for them house. I'm a bed. I'm a middle door. That's how busy can't stay, man. It's fully, man. The man, them take away, I'm sorry, take out of my ceiling, the man, them take out of my house, go on the next Wackland house. But deep freeze, the man, them take out the motor out of the deep freeze. See me, the man, them take out clothes, every sheet, everything, man. I'm bad pan. Some bad things are going to Jamaica here for real, and people are hungry, man. I find them not see the body like they want to use them, so they make use of them.
Wow.
So I'm telling them around them avocado, because I don't like to have vibe up, I don't know what to do. I don't know if for stay a man to go be butter, see we look place of scap. And put us. Because today, we go work today.
Yeah, I cut out.
Oh, don't know what's time. I tell you, we want to go back country to do some farming and see if we can go market with it, man.
There's a lady who start a program to help deportees with a place to live. It's a non-for-profit to start, right? I go forward our number to you because it's a good look where I try to. Because, brother, every man a human being, you see me? And then me have... Eh?
Right now, I'm a two super, I'm a chicken man, you know? That chicken man, them call me, you know? And even though the Rasta man, them call me chicken man.
Yeah, come in and out. What you do? Move the phone, something are going.
Oh, man, sir. I try to find somewhere decent to talk here, you know? I'm going to say, I can't put the pan now, bush here, you know?
Okay.
But we have until the 18th of this month of leave, so I must have Thursday the 18th.
If you leave.
I supposed to get a notice so far.
So you have to go back to Sente.
Yes, I would say I have to go back still, you know.
Yeah. Well, the key is that say you have our say I have my number and this little recording, I'm gonna put it out there.
Yeah, man.
Because another deportee would come from Linstead one time and he must sell some things. About 4 deportees I know, personally. And life now, with some reason them just come to me. And them see me have a strength and
yeah, man, the powers, man, because I always say I'm going to this man if I go work, you know, and everything. And I'm going to give some good encouragement. Years ago, see me, man, and say, Rasta, you marry up and Rasta, we know to have to move, you know, Rasta, but we never get it very long. And never forever. We have to move.
Yeah.
I don't know. At the farm, I have to like a Rasta, but I don't know. My people want food every day.
Yeah.
So I'm telling you about the farming and things, but you may I go with Rasta, I'm telling about the secret, you know. You tell me about positive thinking, you know, and people in the universe.
Yeah.
It will happen, you know. Just have to believe, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's good and encouraged by that, man. I'm going to come back home and I'm going to search out the video, I'm type in Jamaica Good Life, and I'm search every video. Related to my mates, because last time I watched the pottery, I really want to tell the man make the pot them, you know.
Ah.
I want to hear more how him survive without need so much ears, you know, isn't it?
Yeah. Speak up louder.
Yeah, man, I'm taking the rest of man will make the pot them, man.
Yeah. Well, I'm going to link you with some people that are going to be a supportive network, you see me? You see? Hello?
Yeah, I'm saying I have a bike when I can move and meet people if you want, just not address or anything. I'm fine here, isn't it? I want to come meet Baba, I want to come do some. Come here for the sea view, man, them start the farming, so come help out, you know.
Ah, look at that, sir. Look at that.
I watch the man in the sea view say, yes. We have a couple of men ready to go.
Yes.
Couple of men, two bus go the man ready. And I just call and say, yo, me right back at the bus, you know. Come.
Where I said to me, wow.
That more wait, but I watch all the episode and see when the thing start. My glad for said, you know.
Well.
Malachi get him donkey and them thing there.
Oh, you mean, sir? You see it?
Tell them thing that me I watch day after day for see that manifest. Come my sister this real. I met my girlfriend say a real thing, man. But you see the man get help. But you see the woman get her full chicken, them get her full cook, watch her. The woman make her full cook. She say, I just weave help one of the man. If me can go put in a strength and get a little strength back. Nothing wrong with that, man. Because I don't work that day in the COVID time, I know. Farming is the key, man. So, glad to meet that program, man. And, you know, even keen, I'm follow keen too, and, you know.
Yes, sir.
Watch everything, man, and see what the changes we are going in Jamaica. That's where I come from, man. Trenton's era, that's a man. Kingston 13. Is it me? Funny story about the man. Really hospital, say about store, say rock 3 toe, man, is it me? But me they all poor, because grandmother never set the foundation, then we like say buy a piece of leather town or nothing. Is it me?
You're the real governor.
Well, we in the street, but I say I get the shot and I survive it, man. And I said, no, sir, I have to take a page, I have to turn a page, man, because ask about any one of them, anyone you want to ask about, man. I can't tell you about any one of them, none of that, man. You see me, me are one of them, man. One good thing, I'm going to tell me, say, if you never born a night, you know, and take up it from, if you take it up already, you're not take it up again. So I'm glad to me, you're one of the educated one of them who knows that at the wrong way that. Pick up yourself for the police. So just to look how we out and think, look how cheap for that, make a way out for me still. But it never work out the way there. I mean, we end up escape the tell attack on me attack. Everybody else alive that they can't really escape from England prison and really. I said nothing like that's why I walk out, man. Every day people that come out and go take boats and all them something. Come out every day man, come out of jail and go take them boats, go to college and all them something and go about their business. They call it absconding. So we know what them. Yeah man, I escape a good 7 months man and get a little baby up there and get my baby about 17, 18 and now. Yeah, man, you know. So, man, nice to British band up there, man, and thing. And we correspond 1 and 2 times still, but the situation I'm in right now, start, you know, I'm not good employment and all them things there.
Wow.
That's not stable affair backstone from parish to parish and all them things they start, you know. Really put a dump upon things, man. I really like to do that anyway I can with me youth them start, because I just 2 sons having one out here and one up there, you know. And I love to can play a part of them life, man. As well as them be.
So how much land you have a Senti?
Well, I say that more than 2 are so acre, you know, you see me?
What they on it now?
Coconut tree, you know, some breadfruit tree, ackee tree. You know, and that's the 2 house them.
The house them still at least you have shelter for your head, right?
Yeah, because I'm going to say, oh, them take my things, them on my door, them take off from my good concrete house and bring it on a land up house. I say them money not easy, you know. If I say, poop out, I don't violate my thing, and I have to go leave. So, we need up the 2 house, them and thing.
So them no respect you down them here, they no respect for you?
Yeah, man, everybody have respect for what them not say that everybody have faced it.
Okay.
We have other houses nearby, and other tenants live nearby, make a different piece of land. Will come like the same land, but the tree always cut up, you know? And the tenant they miss all them goat to see where. Every day cost the people them who did there. That them do it, and everybody know who do it. And you they're in the place, man. They go see me and the house, and just go down there and start survey out the place, so we come move down and thing, and I always try to help him whenever we can help him. But, you know, and poverty still lead him astray, man, you know, just get finger fearing. And it just leave him, he got bad tweet that he not wanted by the police, I don't know.
Okay.
Because him take out my bike. And him take out my bike out of my house and tell the people them say, be gonna foreign and give the bike. Because everybody write him off, you see me? But me not write him off, man, because I try with him.
Okay.
I cook and share with him, left for the rest of food with him, I try with best.
Yes.
But him get bad now, man. Him get bad now. Police really want him right now, man.
Oh, wow.
My people place and take up people things and no one, you know.
Wow. You see.
He not behave himself. He turn big man now, man, but he don't know child again.
Life real out a road.
Life for the man, but I just we have no forward out there, so have positiveness same here. If my heart leave and watch on the internet more time, I see them look buy thief them up on the road where I thief people things. I make more fix up look old school fast. Because I manage to buy a car out over mobile, you know. You see me? After a little while, I carry home some people call them house. Run look a robot at night time, you know?
Yeah.
Run look a trip and so carry home people and anyway. Or some bad area where people free to go. Some taxi man say, oh, Rasta man, run risk to the life, you know? I say a joke, man. Run risk to the life. People don't want to go home. And, you know, I carry them, so I carry them.
Wow.
But 2 o'clock at night, people say, yo, Rasta, we get a trip now. Go up a Salt Spring and all them places, you know. You know, I say, me, come here, man. I say, oh, we have a trip now, man, go up a boat some hours at night. I say, me, man, come here, man. The man say, nah, go.
So, Boga dangerous place?
No, man, but man, they say, there's some places where people just don't want to go some places, you see me? Some places I'm going to be at, some places at night time. You just now take the trip there.
What the most dangerous place of Moby in your mind?
Well, I couldn't think about none of them. You see me? I mean, them talk about flank all the while. I never know why them take so that. Because I have no problem right go to flank all the while. I go for the examiner depot. When I pass the bike and all them things there. I stop on it, you know? Walk up and down the place that I live there. I must say, I know, man, you know, a real gypsy, the man. We go everywhere, the man. On the bike and just stop and just drink a beer like how you see a stop and eat a chicken or stop and, is it me?
Yeah. You just
move. Sometimes them say, Rasta, you leave already. You don't want to rob them, I go try to rob you or something. But I just pay a man 1 penny like game a pool or something, man, I drink a nice beer, man, you know what I mean?
Wow.
Salt Spring. Everywhere they might go, Salt Spring, go Salt Spring, go stop off. Have a friend house, come out and shop, walk up and down, go look beer. Everywhere, we don't know what going on, man. I always say, them people don't know who them want, you know. That man always say. Come off go market. And more time you pass through the market, you see one body lie down the same way. So where you go do? Nobody buy your groceries.
Where this are Charles
Garden Market.
Body lie down.
Body lie down, soldier crawl the place. Right to the chain line, they say you can't move. You have to walk, you have to ride round and all them places there. Things that go on, the government like can't stop every single thing we go on. The government can't make your mind, stop your mind from bad.
What do you think is the real issue in Jamaica why man turn bad or continue to be bad?
You want it? All the time I company in there.
Company.
That's a place where you live in now.
Yeah.
Just like when you live in some place, they say a place you want diarrhea PMP place or diarrhea labor right place. When election time come, you have to go vote. And all them things there. See where it's set. So we're looking at look for my life, we can use my life as an example, the same thing. Open a good house. Good school, Kingston Technical High School. Is the way. Get good schooling, good grandmother, police grandmother. Grandmother police. Rockford police station. Is the way. Try to help me with my homework as best as she can. Until she gets sick and couldn't help me no more.
Yeah.
Leave and go live with some other grandmother at Portmore or Waterfront, that's the same way. Grandmother and grandfather. And uncle, you know what I mean?
Yeah, the real toughian. He's a toughian.
Because that's why I can get ship from ship.
He's
a... I sent to 5 and born and the 8 is when the war start at town, wicked. Then ship now for us go send catching, you know. A place called Copper District. I'm learning for fish now, crime tree and everything. I survive for them days there, man. And then the AJ man roast breadfruit and all them, so they go Mona Sanjarine, man. We never We know when you're hungry them the days there, you know. Christmas, so I know about Christmas. Specialty, you know, big round bread. I don't know a specialty for Christmas, you know. With coffee tea, with chocolate tea, with chocolate and put for parch. And they always the man a parch of chocolate. Pick them and put them for dry and parch them and make them and boil them for creator.
Wow.
So good. From grade 3, we leave grade 3, come back to Kingston like from grade 3. When grandmother came to school and give me the book for read, you know, teacher wants to left me at please when I agree. Come like I be a Chinese about the book. So it's whenever I spend much time at school or country, is the way. But with help of friends, man, we take my time to understand the dictionary and understand English, that English become a favorite subject and all them things there, is the way.
Yeah.
Even overseas, them there, lock up, make sure you go education, you know. Yeah, man, get NVQ, them, man. Maths, English, and IT right now, it's done for, you know. And a good recommendation from them, may I leave, man. Tell me, say, opportunity will arise. Just you must be watchful for them, you know. The last thing them tell me when I leave prison, man. So, I come out, man, tell me, say, transfer my life now, man. I'm not institutionalized at all. But now get me go back better. Cure all it is. Find a way to cope, man. You don't have to take the life or nothing, man. But I must say, what cause the crime now in Jamaica, man, I really poverty, man.
Obviously.
People have some really bad expenses and things with them, man. I try to live. They want them kids live better, they want them wife to live better and all them things, and them father to live better, they must not have it.
Got it.
And yeah, some little man will have it. You know? Nah, they run to say, yo, say, I was 50,000 there. Just see it, then just see it. They know you from nowhere. Just see it, oh my God, 150,000, you think you're away with your life. Then you can start whispering their ears until they want who in the like. I say, my God, next 150,000 more. To see if you can go buy one strap. In my financial thing. Because you hungry like why you can't buy a pound of chicken back. But you make your 150,000 for go for and I tell you who you can go to forget one night something world 25 or world 21. And something like that you go want. And you want one world 6. Because you want a spend shell for drop on this crime scene. I'm going to give you the money for go buy it and I'm going to say, yeah, where yourself. The fuck party bills over there, so you're one that when you're done. The key is make touch and touch give the key when you come back. When I come in there, then they fly down where I go. And left you all night. Yeah, so I have some stupid man. Just you know, just glad that they reach me still. Man, let tell me say, he must have something to do film still. But me kind of wonder way more to do film so. I say I discuss business on the road. I'm kind of really want, you know, because I just say the man that they top man, you just look at soldier in the street, you know. Because you have 87, they have 90, you know, and everything there, you know. So, as I 87 in the street, the lower caliber, you have to just pick others on the 90, you know. 90 get film others on the higher octane, which are the 111 or 110 or so. So alright, when I discuss business on the road, reach up by a place, I'll show you where I go do. And I'll go by him house now and the man show me this little pillar now like the size of your thumb. And I say, yo, I want you to bring up some of them for me. What do you think I can bring up? I said, about 30 man or something. I said, what's 30 you talk about? 200 and 300 them something people care up and them I care up. You know the way there? They say, what? 200, 300? But then they too deep and know the man come and know them business and know the man. No, it's me. As a system man, you must know, say, you can't say no, they say no. Right, your mother, your father in trouble. I'm telling you, him own a mouth, say, yo, the body knows that you're going to make no one go on and youth. I say no or else. So you that for really between the line. And the man come out with this something. And after you hear them something, your team mother want water for take it. You don't even want water for so like my brother. When the man tell me the something, I'll give me the man and I say, yo, what this I gonna take? Oh, you can't tell nobody and you still know what else. By the time I'm turning back, I go for some juice, so I take it. It's so like long time. So when him come back in the room and say, yo, so where's something there? You gotta look back like, look at it and so like down. I said, that's that long time, brother, man. I said, where you say what? No, sir. And him just jump on his phone and him start making him call. Yo, we find him. We find him. We find him. I said, the man flooded something without the water, brother. Yo, we find him. So you see it though. After them a big argument, they start going now. You know what? You know. You don't want outside of that word to another soul. You see me? I'm going to think you know, say they in a little room, swallow non-stop until the back done. And them these, whenever they work on a visa them time, so you just go to the airport, just go buy a ticket and just fly out. 7 years, man, I tell you, brother, man.
So when them catch you, 7 years?
Yeah, man, they catch you, man. If you go like you fight the crime, see man get 15 years just like me, you see my amount as me, but them a fight it. And that's all somebody you fight it on someone and them catch you for him. So the solicitor they try them with the same thing too. Every time I go to court, no plea. I'm tell me for say. I'm say I'm for say no plea, brother man. I want to go guilty man because I don't have it now already and I catch it. I'm here man, I talk about no plea with it. I tell you this is traveling up and down, you know, brother. Want to play guilty, man. You see me? Because I money is really make for me. How much months I go to court, man? So I'm just telling the man that it's guilty about so I say, respect a guilty plea, brother, but you know, 7 years. Can't better than 7 years. Because I know what people could have make. Did with this thing. I would have try to forget money if you come for bit. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'm recommending a deportation after a sentence, recommend a deportation because we don't want to drug deal in our country. And that's my mistake, that's my life, and my own regret, that's my life still, you see me? So I say, we depend on skate back against the wall. You see me? Imagine your business place, a fire chicken, and a sell your soup and a jerk, and rice and peas and everything, and you own a business place, and some man come in there, come beat you and broke you up in there, where you own a food. You see me? Because you don't know the beggars are going to come in, man, and you try help where you can't help, but you have to make them know so straight, so yo, lady complain that she not no money, you know. The boss says she want to see some money out of her business, so she count every piece of chicken, every bag of potato woman count, so, and like one time, people can't get her leg like so again, you see me? No, sir. Nah, take it at all. Please, that disrespect that for say no, you know?
Yeah.
Till a wicked life, I'm a man, and so push a man has come from man. And I start beat me. I'm going to see a man drop a baseball bat a man, I'm shirt. That time them up on the phone, I talk to my boss, I make sure I go on, you know? I'm going to say a push a man has come to shoot a man, drop a baseball bat, and them silver one, the man, and I start sweet, man, I tell you, brother.
Wow.
Instantly, you start using hand to block the lick them, because I don't want him lick off the head. So you kind of block the lick them. When I say this brother, now stop. And because somebody even try to stop him, and I say, no, man, a good youth, man. And lick him, man, a good youth. And the next man, I said, no, him this. And him start put it on, and I said, I have to push him out of the place, man, and run out. Yeah?
Yeah.
And no, I just run. No, I think about run go outside from my grandmother live or so. And I can hear Pamela man. So we have about 3 shots now to the brother man, and the last one picked me up, man. Picked me up, and my back fly through my chest. Wow. You know, and I feel to myself, not tell me say tonight or the night. what got him to look a baby man just born last year.
Yeah.
And all the things that go through my mind. You know? And find like going to buy a drug store. Run on the counter the store the man, and you see the gunman come to the store with a gun and smoking the man. Yeah, boy, look out for the man counter. Look out for the man counter. And so wait the man, so I can't breathe. Look out for him counter and go with him. So him to finish me off and done here, man, because we don't get messed up already. I'm go outside with him. Alright, I walk, I see the owner for the store, front out there, I say, whoa, this is when I carry him to the hospital. The owner said, no, son, I put him in night, you know. Put him in night. They say, we Jamaican can be very cruel at times, one of that to see him, you know. And just be a love thing of balance, you know. Can be very cruel to one of that see him here sometimes. Because you have the big van there, we can put him in the back and rush me to the hospital, man, so I put him in night. And the man just wave for the gun at me and just wave for me. I say, yo, bring him out of the place. And I stand down, I walk with them, I walk with the CNU, conscience start ride him. And I say, yo, you shouldn't diss me, man, you shouldn't diss me. I say, go on, man, you're a shagris, man. We put me down here so still, because I can't go no further. And right at Regent Street, kind of stand Spanish Town Road, kind of somebody down on the ground, man. Who little lady can remember this when they hear this? You know? Feel like my foot first reach a element, I tell my brother, man, because my foot feel like fire in my shoes, them. If I push out my shoes, them off of my foot, man. Brand new pair of Adidas, man, I have to push them out, my foot feel hot. So the way you conscience to ride them, man, them get a cat, man, and carry them go KPH, man, you know? And them do them surgery for me and everything, and come out back. Come up back and say, man, I'm since for sure how long my problems begin. Come back from hospital and say, man, I'm being mother in my bed. In my clothes at that. The man in my South Pole jeans, my brother. I would have heard this, he must laugh.
Wow.
The man in my South Pole jeans and being mother in my bed with her baby. And I said, yo, bro, man, I think now you say you're dead, man. You say you get too much shot and dead. You know, say, me? Some homeless again, my brother. Homeless. Just come out of the hospital and still homeless. Because from getting the mother coming from one time and say, yo, you know, you're going to manage with him, you know. Because my mother sick for me already, you know, so I know about him, you know. And I tell you, my brother, I tell you, I'm going to waterfront, man, from Spanish Town Road, just walk straight on the waterfront, man. Sit down on a place and call flag box, so just steer off like the sea, you know, man. Steer off like the sea. And that could I say, I want to be first true experience, you know, and the most I creator, you know. That I'm a real true experience of the most I create, my brother. My first experience of the most I in my life. Because me I look on one juice cart and I park up on the waterfront. I have this big chain on it with this big old stone. And I say, whenever I just tie the chain from my foot and just throw off the stone of the water, I just keep me down there. You know what I mean? That me I said to myself, you know. I said, what kind of life am I going to live now? I'm cripple up and know everything. Oh, what kind of work I can do now? Or what I can do to myself, what's left to society now? It's the way. I'm there, I look to the water, I'm going to see a man come to me and say, don't do it, youth. You hear me?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, listen, this is my first encounter with the Most High Creator, me I tell you, brother. The man said, don't do it, youth. But like me to myself, me I say, what do you mean, don't? Road over. They must say, don't do it, youth. I'm not for we out here. I'm going to say, what? And the man, dirty, you know, and smelly, you know. Dirty and smelly, any sensible, normal person, at all, a person nowhere near them, you know. Or beside them, you know, but the state and the condition of them, you know. Him smell have nothing to do with me. Because him smell not trouble me right now. The homelessness in my face right now, the smell of my have not trouble me. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
And the man said, don't do it, youth. I'm not for out here. I came under the ocean hotel with him under the bush part him sleep and feeding cardboard them, you know. And give me a spot for them and cardboard them, you know. The man where they call madman or homeless man, the man so smelly. The man came right beside him ocean hotel under the ocean hotel pan some cardboard where him house pillow as in bed. Give me a nice spot beside him to sleep on, you know. I know some of the couple minutes with him, I'm just telling myself, no, man, I never can manage a speller for real, wait about. Never can manage a speller. I'm get up back and take back my time. I'm walk back, walk back walk back a West Kingston, you see me? And a friend see me and say, you know what? I move out something, I walk a storeroom over there, so I the cook shop. I can move out them things out of the storeroom there. And give the storeroom there for go and stay there, you know. I might tell you, when the cook shop have fire, you know, man, about 4 coal stove, the man have pan blast in there, so straight through the day I cook it. And the storeroom there, give me for stay there, no window or nothing, you know. Sometimes the man lock me up in there just for fun, you know. Like from outside. And I just said, my brother, this over there, and, you know, try to see one heap of friend drop over and say them one have a big encouragement go on them and big things. You see me? I'm just try to stay positive, same way. You know? Support more and everything and say I'm gonna do jerk chicken and I say, oh about that everybody do him jerk chicken. Look how much work the man have to do, I fear hit up him fire, I fear wash him drum, I fear seal up him chicken, I fear get him things ready, I fear cut up him chicken. And so much away there, so we're a friend, and nobody not help the man. Someone just jump in and fit in. And start helping him cut up some seasoning. Start helping him go buy him coals, help him go shop. You know what I mean? And with just see a meal, with a follow him go to the road, just like how you and Pokey. You push Pokey drum go to the road, and someone help him push him thing go to the road.
Yeah.
And sit down round him, I jerk him chicken. And me, there, I just wait for the little bun them and the little thing left back, you know. And there, I was like, come here, give me a piece and he buy a drink for me and everything. And we know we smoke and we have fun and drink. But him a work and him always fast. Boy, Cliff, man, anyway, they big up yourself, man. The man, they teach you for jerk chicken, man. And the man, we did there, you know. And as an apprentice, we did there, no, the selling night or chopping up height or something, just a watch. But at least I always clean still, you know. And then I watch my dream thing, and sometimes I'm so tired, I say, yo, bro, man, go and chop up a piece of chicken for the man, man. Because somebody say, yo, I call the chicken there. So we couldn't know, put our ear on everything, and take up the chopper, and pick up the chicken, and then they chamba with chicken, and I don't know what me I do, you know. Sometimes please flag up at the drum, sometimes please flag up at the, you know what I mean? And I say, but bro, but you know, your apprentice, bro, man, you know about it, man. And just, as I say, practice make perfect, brother. Couple more times, you say, I'm going to chop up the chicken for him, I'm going to chop it up and thing. I tell him, start go Elisha with him. And anyway, I'm going to jerk and then I get more than a little pan, come right beside him and start the more thing to see you here. Then if I start copying what I don't know, you know? But we probably do things here, we're a friend up to the day. And big hurricane it comes till I mash up the building there at Portmore, man, and through the house and everything, to we'll build up the next house up in the hills, so I tell her, we have to leave this again. And I find myself at Rockfort now. You know what I mean? Because I call my mother, and she knows some homeless and things, and people abandon building me for staying and all them things there. She said, I'm your sister Rockfort, you know. Come on, Rockfort, man. I'm going to Rockfort and there. Think I'm going to go see amongst my sister to Rotted. Only to see my mother left with one of her friend them. Easy way. Her friend, see the time of fly off, where her mother tell me, say, she want me to stay there for. And she know, never tell me something I have to leave the same way. So I find myself a drama suitcase now as I deported same way, a drama suitcase. You know, one partner was down and one bad storm are coming up, but the storm will come, never really come with no damage, just rain and breeze, you know? I'm in the park, sitting by my suitcase, and a man see me there, wet up on I sit up on the bench, see me, and I wonder, oh, man, I move, and I say, you man, I go home. Then you say, storm will come. And I say, go home, my papa, I live there, man. And I say, what? No, man, you can't see, I say, papa, a hurricane will come. Come on, carry on the yard, but I'm sure somebody you can see if you want to see it. So much of the most I create a work again, you know? Man, carry my woman and show me a one room and I can give even $1,000 a month for everything. You know? And we start stealing this, you know, and try to survive still, you know? I find when I'm a good brethren from school days, from all year school days. I'm see me and carry my go look recommendation and go look all type of things you go look picture. The man really put out from my brother, man help me go get out full look about some work, man. I look about one of the biggest security guard firm in Jamaica, man. I tell them, man, we are share my brethren go look about it, you know. And all of my brethren them fail. Me the only one pass. All of my brethren them feel we go do the test. I'll be a low pass to where I did car. We will do it like that. But the man did ask me some questions, we never go through so much things, you know. The man did ask me first, anybody smoke? Or anybody have conviction or anybody been to jail already? Put up them hand. And my brethren put up him hand saying he smoke. I rather put up the hand to the man showing the door. The boy showing the door, so everybody laugh. I say him honest. Anyway, but he might be better one because I never get him go through all of me go through because I go through so whole heap of things there. So whole heap of training, I go to test, blood test and all type of medical, you know, PSRA and all, but we got doing that, we have conviction already, you know. So, they one get a phone call from them and I let me know, say, boy, sorry, you know, they lied to us. And sorry for informing that, you know, you can't come back up training again and all them things, you know. But don't give up still, you know. Stay positive, you know. When one door closed, my door open, that's the right time, you know. And then some which I'm talking about from my teens, man, from my young youth, you know what I mean? And police will tell me, say, after a certain amount of years, like 5 years, so then they throw to the system or whatever. So, that just mean if go back get them expunge and then come and try to get them expunge on that time and myself bring in $1,000. You know what I mean? And for sure, it's $1,000 come like $1 million at the time to me, man. Like, come on, where me could I get on that? For sure, brother. But I'm step forward the place, I'm step forward and see me and say, you know, it's jerk chicken at Portmore. When you do some jerk chicken in Rockfort, and I say, boy, oh boy, everybody me talk about it and tell me to do it, and tell me say, boy, it makes sense to do that in the because they're a chicken man, boy, then kill them off. So I say, what? And I tell me step forward the same thing with the people that tell me. When I ask me, so why not do some chicken business? And I say, boy, I step forward, everybody me talk about it, tell me say, them this every chicken man, boy, I would do it, you know. And kill them off. Just we kill them 100 times and 101 times with them to kill them. You know, kill them kill them. So what I say, boy, if they house, they got dead for hungry same, you know. So it's actually kill up on the road. And that time I'm step forward give me up to the day that make me the bravest man of Jamaica. Me don't know about nobody else, my brother. Me don't know about nobody else, but that make me the bravest man of Jamaica, I can say. If you stay your house, you got dead, see you here. So because you then kill up on the road, I do your business. You see me? Because you're there home, you have money, and you got dead for hungry at home. So that's actually you walk with feet and go up on the road, go do your thing. Yeah, man, I used to push my cart from Rockford to Coronation Market, man, do my shopping, man. I'm go back home, go look about my soup at chicken, man, for the people, man. Them love it. Them love it, man. Big things, man, you know. I'm going to say, bad mind, our next thing again, where I mash up Jamaica too, you know. Some people just don't want to see it better than them most of my time. Or, like, see your life, I'm too happy. You're succeeding in life too much. You're personal life more than them. And them have people can't do it because sometimes I have some landlord or a bad mind in a man. Like in a my place that I have to left all town now. The landlord, man, give me a real trouble, man. We buy the cat, and we make a cat, and we could have done the business a little better. A bicycle me use and start the business now. Bicycle me ride, go buy the fruits and vegetable and put the soup up more time now, man, I tell you. The woman deal up our big gate, just to hamper the car from coming to the yard. And we still work and buy a bike now. When we can do business more faster and better. It's a problem. I'm coming from off the road one night, only for still notice in the house, you know. So you have to move. So, it just go, man. From experience them something in life, when I said, I'm going to stay up on the family land, I'm not really try if we're going to buy the place, go rent them place again. I got to come with some bad vibes. So, from them time I tell you, Papa, I left Rockford, so I St. Elizabeth my reach, and I left St. Elizabeth and come on here now, come up on the site, and that thing. Through COVID and thing now, they leave me off an hour still, you know?
Okay.
And give me a little change and say, alright, I do that. So I'm just hold on a little old school, Toyota Corolla, and I try to look hustling with it. But the gearbox, you get damaged right there, you know, and hustle about the place, do some odd jobs, do all tiling to it, man, everything. I see, I'm 70 on the side, so I'm doing everything. Me and some tiling, everything we do for do. Good work. Everything we do, carpentry, everything. Plumbing, everything we do back. I would put the tile, I work with everybody. On the site, I work with everybody, you see me? Yeah. So, just really want to go back again, man, go do something positive again for society, man, you know?
Yes.
Want to make something out of my life, man. We not really go back and send this back before because I was in a way for maintain the land and the place. But watching the Jamaica Good Life now, man, show me we can't survive the man. We were patched in the same place, but in the same place and a lively place. No, but excitement there. The man, the richest man in the world.
Farming.
No, you can't find a banana or a piece of yam, man. Yeah. So imagine I'm going to be a market and I have to cut my eye part of yam in the man because I couldn't believe him here in the man.
You can't afford it.
$250 for yam. A pound. Yeah, man. Couldn't afford that, man. So I must say, Randy, really respect the program, man, like it's a God sent, man, and as I must say, the person itself look out for opportunity will arise, just be watchful for them, you know. I'm really a watcher when I already open the opportunity, because I'm willing to come put in the work, as long as I can get benefit from it. I'm willing to branch with somebody, even with poke if she want help. Anybody. You know? Just need some food, man, and we need to get St. Elizabeth up again, man, because a nice place. I really like your seat and thing.
Well,
so, next time I'm going to do some video.
Yeah, what if you do? What more if you do? What am I going to do with this video, this audio, is I go put it out and put out your number out there, right? Enough real man abroad will understand your struggles. I go link you and support you. You see me? And just hear me, I said, just hear me out. It is the lion that knows the lion. And when the lion knows the lion no fear the lion. Because the lion is a lion. You see me?
Yeah.
And enough lion out there where hear you. And enough of the lion them where listen for girl, fake, con, thief, and deception. Because a real lion don't have no time when him a help a lion
No, sir.
for deception. Like a man like me. You see me?
No, man. We know the whole way, lion, man. Lion is for caring people. And caring person, man.
Yes. So
show you the ropes.
yeah, so
You can't teach a man to fish, whatever, you know? If I give him a fish every day, better. I mean, the one who love the teaching, you know? I'm shame for telling things, man. I'm shame for hand out, you know what I mean?
yeah.
As a deportee, you know, telling them I could have got this place to forget help and go to a place. I'm going to try to look at odd jobs, them look at site, them look at jerk chickens, them look at fruit business. Give me a what day I go send them to look mango for sell. So we are hustling in the street like Gaza, my brother. We now give up and we now do no negative. We come out of the God, take out of the system. We have to take orders and the boss. I'm free now. Can't go any parish more. I'm going to go. My team I got a family of Monday for me, I said, man. A place called Newland. So, and one time I couldn't left out of Tivoli, I tell them I can't left. It's a big question I have to answer to. Where you going? What are you coming back? You know what I mean? So for years, on top of years, there one place can't move, man. I know this system set away now where I can't go anywhere more. I'm going to want. We just want to put out the life with it, because it makes sense to have a talent and hide it, you know. My professional barber to them, man, because even when we get England, I'm escape from July, England, we get to work at Notland now. Two barber job at Notland, I'm working at two different barber shop.
Yeah.
At Notland, I cut ear. White people ear, China people ear, black people ear. What if I Tottenham bother them ear, my cut, man? So them go do me, and I hear this. You see me? So, we'll go through it, brother, man. But people can't come back home, man.
Yeah.
And invest in Jamaica. Now worry yourself. Just follow just watch your video, man. Follow what the man them say, man. You see me?
Yeah.
Follow Liebert and all them man, advice and them things, man. You know, follow about a friend, man. You have contacts and associate, man, where you meet and mutual grown. You know, tell them where you are, come, tell them where you drive, come, you know. Because you know who will go on set up you up and all them things there. So it just careful and be wise when they are walking under the streets, man. Yeah. And be nice. Yeah. Not too flashy. Now you're $100,000 phone, flash in your hand and all them things there, on your carrot, sit down and text and all them things. You know what I mean? They're hungry. And they're going to try everything with them can fill the gap there. And sometimes when they're right in them, but they're hungry, they make them think. Now them can't focus, them can't think. You see me? Bully for you out there can't do good, man. Me and one of them, I tell them, man, we could have be a bad man, I tell them, man. We could have used a carry on my chest to eat the world. Yeah. I say, man, try to grow me already, and I not care about nothing again. Because many are afraid to say something to them, you change to DM man. The devil son himself, you see me? I'm going to tell myself, no. Because give me a second chance, and most, you can't see the other ribs them to the X3. And the bullet just goes straight through the clear part of it, not touch no bone. It just goes straight through the clear part of the ribs them. So you must know that God have a purpose for you, man. And my purpose is to just help and give back. Because a whole heap of people helping them, man, and a whole heap of people feed with the steam jerk chicken and soup business there, man. I know say have a purpose on this earth to fulfill, brother.
So the COVID are gonna make things harder for everybody.
Harder, Uber. It's really hard. I'm gonna try to survive seeing me, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because my girlfriend, I'm gonna make sure Kara come out. Because she a Rockford with me, and she was a helper at Rockford, you know?
Yeah.
And she really helped some nice people at Rockford, and Uptown used to work, and I meet her and things, and she get sick on her time, and she had to stop work. You know? But I keep from her and all them things there, so it was my grip on my shoulder, full duty for just help her out, you know?
Yeah.
So I'm just saying, yo, just stick with me, man, and you know, we'll go up on the road earlier, help me peel the food and put on the pot and them things there. And we'll just go on to the business together. And that's how we do it together, you know? Get up, we look at things then one. Used to make people put up a chicken pan the fridge, too. Sometimes 1 or 2 piece missing when you get it back and all them things, but I don't say because people help you, you know? So tell you, just save and buy own a leaf freeze and all them things, you know, and make it easier. But we take a start, we go to work and come back. The man them brought the house not 2 times for the week. Or a 4th. Man them brought the house for Wednesday. Eh? Yeah, but we're trying business and I tell you that Wednesday them brought the house and take everything out there and left the TV and the DVD. So I say, I walk on a little boy brought the house. I was a little boy brought the house, man. Because when I left the TV and the DVD, right, you like we talk too quick, they come for it. They come for the DVD and the TV too. They got one side of the house. I'll come for the DVD and TV too. So I say, well, go through it, brother, man. We just bar for we know what go on in life. True, we can't afford somewhere decent and grill up and stable, you know me there?
Oh, okay.
Everybody's nice, brother. They have a good balancing difference at Jamaica, yeah. I will go somewhere where I try to save and better with self and people I try to broke with them. Even if they come and carry my now, so somebody try to take out the windscreen, they were just what they are.
Somebody try to take out what?
The windscreen of the car. They never try to sell it. You know what I mean? So, when I live somewhere stable, brother, and, you know, after up and down the place, it's really rough. Because you know, no security for your things, them things, you know what I mean?
You swear I say.
Well, I'm glad to link with them, man. I always think that I never get to, you know, I'm frightened, you know.
Why you think that?
Because it's so busy, sometimes you don't know if you're there in Jamaica, you're there in the States or whatever, and...
I'm glad to say you don't know when me there.
Yeah, for real. I don't think, even look why I'm watching. I said, run back to Jamaica. Because last time I see you take down the lady to get her hearing aid done. I said, third war.
Yeah.
I'm a full light up and I said, God, the lady really strong. Energetic, you know. If you really say your grandmother.
But you know, say, on the real tip, the program looked beautiful, but a lot of bad things me deal with people that I was around.
Yeah, I'm kind of summarize that, you know.
Yeah, they treat me bad. And there was a lot of thief around me. You see me? And a lot of people try to destroy my name.
All that I can't understand.
You see,
I can't understand that because you set them up with somebody to give them help. And then I go sit down with the person there, find your name. I don't understand
you
that.
See, here's the thing, man.
What am I going to get from that?
When I learn about humanity doing this program, it named Jamaica Good Life, brother.
Yeah.
So the man where the founder from 2005, 15 years and a half, me I do this for Jamaica for uplift the positivity. I build a good army. You see me?
Yeah.
And then, because if you are one of the general in the good army, expect to get lick And you say, I go Africa, you know. And me did just want, me did want to stay Africa. Because Africa was up full spiritually. And then I come Jamaica now and say, no man, I'm a country this year, so I'm going to stay. Jamaica teach you how to play chess among your own family. And Jamaica teach you say your own family is not your family. Jamaica teach you, that's why we said Jamaica Good Life. It didn't say Jamaicans Good Life.
Yeah.
Me try to separate that with people. A Jamaica good, the people them, you have to deal with them. You have to deal with them independently. So, for this program touch you, a man we've been through it. And the program, what I love about the program, you know, you say Gaza, man, like Gaza.
Yeah.
When me hear Gaza, I really love the fact for what me do for him and make the world see the good him a try become. When a man a try become good, you know, are the hardest thing in a life, you know, brother. The good part hard, you know, brother. So all them people where I do the good, I have to look up to them because when we talk to a man like Gaza and say, and we release the video and 39,000 people see it, I know it has changed enough people's life. Because at the end of the day, if you don't plant food, you're not going to eat in the future, you know.
Alright.
I'm going to finish up with this way. There's only two things going to happen to the future in Jamaica. You either go jail, or you have a job, three things, or you plant food.
Alright.
Because if you don't have a job, if you don't have a job or you not plant food, you're going to jail.
Alright.
So these three things are going to happen to every single male or female in Jamaica. Because here's the next thing for Jamaica go up now. China flood out. The whole world come after Jamaica right now. No? So what them are going to do? They might create a security system with tight.
Okay.
So here, now listen me out now. So now, if the youth them now decide for farm, and them no have no job to give them going to jail. So they go and turn Jamaica into a little America, and you know how America work. More black man they are jail in America than they were jail in Africa. And that don't make no sense.
That makes no sense, man.
So the system are going to rig now where the Jamaican youth them are going to become jail targets if them don't farm. Because you know, say when a man farm, him can't eat or share him pumpkin with another man for yam. And once a man have food, him have the basic. Anybody can live in a zinc house or shit out a door. Because of them things, me use outside toilet for months upon months. So now when me there Manchester do this film, people look upon me. People call me beggar, scavenger. Them call me everything in the book, you know, brother. And me a shit in a outside toilet and nowhere with water out a tank where make me sick and me have to endure it for do this show. And then me put the $40,000-$60,000 a night from my life savings because me say me depend on Marcus Garvey movement.
Yeah.
Can I do something for my country? And look here. Kino was inspired. Nick inspired. You inspired. Gaza inspired. A real man out the road. Real man will get shot. You know how much deportee me run round?
Alright.
And the man them look to me and say, yo, Randy, we have a respect for you, you know. And when me I move through as a warrior, we sleep out a door. When we start the program, you know, at Auntie Lena house, me sleep for 6 months in the veranda, you know, brother.
Oh gosh, you never know them from there.
And let me tell you something. When me come for start Save Jamaica that come in 2005, you know, a barrel them send come, and that the money for sell the picture them me use to clear the barrel in the brother. The picture them when me taking on. And let me tell you how the samurai work now, the real warrior. I bucket my beard in 2005 to do that program. I have no money for me, you know. Because I left corporate for you to do this, you know. And I take my time. Whole family say, you're mad. I say, eh? I say, me go and do something like Paul Bogle for my country.
Of course.
And that's what I say I go do, you know. I'm go Trenchtown. I go Trenchtown, brother. And I do the films. When I go Trenchtown, I see Spotlight. And I do documentary Spotlight on Trenchtown and youth get a soccer scholarship. And you see when I see how the youth them are living in Trenchtown, man, my eye. Can I come from country, you know, so with the house have food.
Yeah.
When I go Trenchtown and see them live, I say,
the concrete jungle.
I say, something wrong in this system. So, I start dedicate my life to say, you know what? Save Jamaica.com, and later on, 2 years ago, it became Jamaica Good Life with Porky.
Yeah.
So now, and Trusty and Nadisha and Nick.
I'm
so
all of them.
And you watch everything. So what you're seeing here, and what you are witnessing in your spirit, and what you're witnessing when you're seeing Kino and when you're seeing Gaza, we're building the good army, brother. And the mission...
From long time stay, so.
From...
Go to a church and ask them if I'm a jerk, man, if they want. Anybody want any barbecue, they have to pay me. Or come and jerk for them if they want. And a couple of that happen.
Yeah.
Couple times well. And I jerk some wonderful chicken for them. Everybody enjoy.
Yeah. So what I'm sure you say is that...
The world, man.
Where you are feel and the struggle where everybody are feel right now, something is being set up in Jamaica to eliminate the man them, you know.
Yeah.
And if our generation don't go back to our grandparents' land and farm it, them are comfy all the land them in a brother.
So can I lock up without the man them? If all the man them lock up the bars and dead off, what
the rich people them are going to come in.
Okay, and come like we extinct from here now.
No, what the first thing them set up was for the youth them for bleach out and drug out.
Okay.
And once them cocaine out, drug out and kill themselves, that was the first setup. Because when I go to Johannesburg, the same thing them doing now.
Okay.
In the 80s, it's called gentrification. That's what them do to Brooklyn. Crack them out. So them drug them out, crack them out, desensitize them mentally. And you will see people on YouTube now when they look like we are sell Jamaica. So them put them people on YouTube, present Jamaica beautiful to them people. Them heighten up the security system now. Start eliminate the youth them now. And start say, boy, you know, for come to Jamaica, you know, and them start buy up the land them. Because the world temperature is changing and water, mountain, food are the thing in the world right now. So 3 years from now, you're going to see the real crisis. The real crisis is not corona. The real crisis is food.
Food.
So when...
Now the computer crash and everything start crash. Yeah, we're food same way.
So what going to happen in the world now is that you and St. Elizabeth better fall in love.
The 18th is a special day in my life. The 18th, they notice step on the board, so.
Yes.
And the 18th, they're supposed to have on the bike with... Up on the bike off who come, we found some cold warm wrap up in there. They're going to say this, they're going to start chop from left to right. They're going to come back and come hustle at the market, push charter, doing a little thing.
I'm going to introduce you to a farmer with some seedlings and him have nursery where him have the scallion suckers, because the only option for you is for, you see how Patrick work hard.
Yeah.
And the only option for Jamaican man we can't find job is for work hard on the land. And it might not come, it might come.
It might come. But we ever come, because we have two, the person who, I show you who is. When we don't there, so I buy a goat, you know. And my father bring a nice female goat from Mobile to come give me down there, so I end up with 2 goats.
Yeah.
I'm like, tie them out, you know. I know, so when we decide to come work on the side, we give it 2 goats them to one of my cousins. Full Indian man. Cousin man, I'm going to him now, I'm going to say about 12 goats dead out of them, man. So, we don't get no increase on them. So, I just thought we stay, man. We not all for myself. Once we can share with other being, we share with one.
Yeah, your story is riveting, and
my God. More tell you, brother, man, because you see family thing, we talk about family thing, and real talk, brother.
Yeah.
Imagine your own family make you lose it, you know. Yeah. You fight with the help of God, you fight to come back to your senses.
Yes.
And even though they take you 1 full year to come back to your senses, the family still don't want to let you inside the house.
Yes.
Stretch out the hand cross with the grill and block you from entering, like Jesus on the cross. You know where there? I tell the next door neighbor to come to them and say, no man, give him a room, man. It's not an empty room. He can sleep on the ground.
Mm-hmm.
And that family member is abroad now, you know. And that family member let me have to find myself in the art of the ghetto, the art of the garrison.
Wow.
I could have did X amount of time. Right past police station, strap X amount of time.
Mm.
And then something you want to do, as I tell you, something somebody use them want to do.
Mm-mm.
But them family turn them back on them. So they have to find themselves. We can't name all of the man, them apart and gone.
Mm.
Una kick nobody, una send me out, una send me go a shop and bring back them change without money.
Mm.
Been through there, you can't believe some own a mother for tell you they about family. My own a mother come to West Kingston to visit me. And when she saw me, a lady saw her and said, "What, mommy? Is that your son? You can't see the resemblance, man. But I will in favor you. But mother, if you can't take him out of a place, I beg you, take him out of a place. Because if your friend will not kill him, a police are going to kill him. You see me? We might try to show you.
Mm.
And the lady that do nothing more than walk me straight down to Java. Straight down to those headquarters, presidential clique. You can't believe that your own mother, before she take you out of the fire, she'll bring you in at the heart of it. I just say, yo, I was son this, you know, man. I was son this, man. I remember saying, my father used to deal in a man, you know, brother? When I say, oh, that, bro, man. Bro, man, I want to man. Bro, man, good, man. I thought, well, he's the mother man, man. Bro, man, I want to.
Your mother hand you over.
My older mother hand me over.
Wow.
My grandmother dropped out. My grandmother died. And my mother don't even tell me that she took her from Kingston, from south side, bring her to the country. My mother don't tell me nothing. You see what I tell about family?
Yes. Yes.
My grandmother, we don't know. Oh, my grandmother died, we don't even know that she was sick. And I used to drop my chicken and sell and buy up her Listerine and food stamp and bread to south side to give her. But as I said, I take set from my house down, I broke my house and I try to come up on my foot.
Mm-hmm.
The same man who gave me the thing to take to England and everything. I hear that he came back from he was in prison as well, and he came back out, reporting himself. And when I told him what they did to me, man, I broke my house and everything, man, I went down there to get serious, man. And he said, they didn't kill you, they just broke your house. But them not really, they don't want to do nothing. So, you know, that's it though. See a 10 pack here. What will be your business? You know what I mean? And I saw me start back again and everything. But my own mother, no, just make dead, them call, you know what deadlift is? Them call the deadlift. I can't believe that the woman make deadlift get to her. The woman said that my grandmother said not even a chair me forget. Because she even give me a chair, she take it. My grandmother will raise me. I just said that to my mother about me.
Mm-hmm.
I don't believe that. So I just lower her with the land in St. Catherine. I just leave her for take the land in St. Catherine and just, you know, be happy. When I fight over the land, I will see where I go on the news about land. People are give out contract for their own family for land and all them things. Grand auntie make me know St. Elizabeth, I can't stay at St. Elizabeth and as long as ever until I die. You see me?
Wow.
So, and that time my grandmother buried on the land there. We have the same name. Everybody see me and call me the son of the soil. They say, yeah, man, I'm glad to see you come back, man. You're the real son of the soil. Long time I pray for somebody to come back. I can see your grandfather. If I'm looking for you, I see your grandfather. And you know what I mean? And I'm feel good. So the people, them take on to me. But the eyeglass, they're not the area, man. We not farm. who not do nothing. Everything them reap. Even some neighbors see my day and say, we plant them come in with the you know. If you want, can get two other them, you know. I said, no, man, I'm a good man. You say, see, though, people read my things, they want to tell me, say, you can't give me two and I'm a one thing.
Wow.
So, well, but I be true, man, from one place to the other, man. And when I come to mind, I make a decision. It's a hard decision to make still, but we want to stay up on the site and I like to see the people, I enjoy them also, we help build for them and everything. And that are the purpose and the goal still, that's to do them all here that people can live comfortable and happy, you know? And now we have the way to live. So, but I can't have my land essentially is wet and just camp out a squat all over Montego Bay, you know what I mean?
No.
I forgot to try to find a way out to survive from my land because other people before me do it.
Yes.
And if I was there, I would still have my things them.
Yes.
Is the months apart from the house, give them all this access to the house. Yeah. So once I'm there, residing there, waking up a morning time, chopping up my field, cooking a little pot, people are going to know I'm there here now. And then we can see me way out. Come work here for 4.5 years, only forget lay off. That's not right. They don't care about your next move. You know what I mean?
Yeah, only upon earth, only you have to care about you.
Yeah, them bosses, they not care about you.
No, sir. There's, what I say, my philosophy now is, I don't really deal with people, I deal with banana trees.
All right.
People don't exist for me now. I do a show, and you see people around me, but I only banana, I plant my, hey, my corn, them I grow outside right now. Let me just, give me a little... Give me a little time. Give me a little time for sure, you. What me depend right now. I have about 4 lime tree. We plant 16 orange tree. My corn, them I grow. I have watermelon. Hear me out. I have tuna. I have fever grass.
My girlfriend come and make sure I tell her that too, because she thinks it's a joke. But for the camera, I'm not sure if you have it for real.
Here what me tell you, brother. You see, the couple of next episode, the people are going to say, I say, I ran that. We think Randy just is a big fat cameraman around when I eat food. The man they talk. The man just a talk. Eh?
Talk, you gonna see.
You gonna see who Randy is.
Me be from me to the camp, really, the tent really come to the bush. This is a real thing here, so. This is a real thing here, so. I mean, I left it. Me say, me not see no other thing to buy YouTube watch. Me say, no, what else to watch? What else to watch? People that do pranks, man, and I arrested for do pranks. Stupid pranks. I can't believe how them put them subscribers so high and you do something positive for the world and your subscription just down there, so.
Yes.
People that make be a joke.
Yeah.
We really want a bounty. Man, I put on a woman panty and I get too much likes and views. You understand it? People they gone mad.
Righteousness is not a benefit to society.
It's a real Rasta man right now. As we said, the same security work I tell you about there. In 2007, them come treat my ear shine like a beer bottom. Tell me go look about the work and I get through.
What?
From the day them I tell my friends say, see me I cry. Cause I tell him say, I get through the work and see me I cry. And I say, what I cry for? I say, look how I try to change my life. Look how I say I'm doing with certain things. And them still force me to go back to where I leave from. For go find a man now who look up as the daddy. For him give me orders now for go do some things out of the way where can cause my life and cause my freedom. Look how I try to look something positive and the man them really, I use some long time days, most years ago. Conviction. I get me out. I'm a pass the test and everything. And from 2007 and them days, I go back behind bars and all them things. So I cry, man. I said, no, man, stop crying. You cry for you not try. You try, man, not cry, man. So 500 there. And the 500 I could have spent them time there. Can I give me 500 and say, go around your house, man, go buy a bun and cheese. And be nice, man. done with chief, done with everything, Babylon, done with Babylon. That's my exact early stream, you know.
Say that again, yeah, cut out. Say that again.
Yeah, but I'm not trying.
Yeah, wait. You cut out. Wait till you come back. Wait till you come back. Wait till you... Say it now. No, man, you're gone low. Something different happen. Now tell me, say, all this time you work on the site, you never get a good phone. Hello? Yeah, cut out. Hello?
So, we are talking so long still.
Okay, the phone warm up.
Even at that time, they can't sleep on the draft, they can't go down to the town. They must be a town there, so I'm wake up back and mess my bag. Mess my license, and I say, look that time, about the guy with phone, everything.
Oh, what?
Yeah, they must be a town. Right, to the fire station, I build it right now. The car broke down and I fixed them there. So I sleep. One could have cut my throat. That man sure says in Jamaica not bad, like how people say it bad.
So wait there. Why were you sleeping in the car?
In them turn off, them give me notice too. Them give me notice for the to them say they're going to build them fire station now, so I need to move the car. I need to relocate. So right here, so on the highway, you know there is a fire station building up. You come that side?
Okay.
Yeah, there's a fire station building up now in Mobile right there, so. The boulevard, you know?
Mm.
So before that there was an open space there. Garage should be there. Some mechanics should be there that, you know, your car up, your brake shoe want to be changed, I want to change all them things that people just go there and change it. You know what I mean?
Mm.
And a couple of people stay there as well because there was a big almond tree there and people live there. And I never want my car to be broken into or anything, so I sleep my car right there as well. You know what I mean?
Mm. Oh.
So the daytime, in the days now, when the mechanics working, I would go there and help the mechanics, give them a hand. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
So till I get, so people start to tell I'm a mechanic, people start come to me to work on the car. Because I'm working on mine, I'm learning fast.
Yeah.
Even the mechanic said that if I put my head to it, I'll be one of the best mechanics in Mobile.
Yeah.
I was there with him, man, and there with him, man. People just come there, man, and they talk and they fix the things, and, you know, all type of eyeglass come there more time.
Mm-hmm.
But I just wake up my mind out to see that my bag was missing from the car.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? And I was doing a little business, selling little weeklies and little sweeties and cigarettes and so on, a little business, and that was gone as well. Yeah, and my license gone and everything.
Mm-hmm.
So, I see one old stall in the park, they put on the old stall, just get 4 wheels and just broke up the stall and turn it into a cart, a hand cart.
Mm-hmm.
And I start to push hand cards in the market, and people would call me and say, Rasta, your work? And they were able to carry the bags for them. All over the place. I would carry the bags for them on the hand cart and get my money, you know, buy food. And, you know what I mean? And buy a little parts of the car, see me and get by the car on the road again. And, you know what I mean?
Wow.
And I was there pushing the cart and I saw a lady selling her fruits and everything, but she looked like she wanted help and all them things, you know. And after she wanted help and things, she said yes, man. And I, you know, helped her out and everything and gave her a little change that I could buy my food and everything. I was grateful for it. Load and if I wanted to come with her and all them things there. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
And I went with her to St. Thomas and I saw how she went to the mango farm. And she would talk to the owners and she would buy her mangoes, Indian mangoes and do the mangoes, you know what I mean? And take them back to Mobile. It was good business.
So now, all this time you've been working, why haven't you saved anything, brother?
That's the problem. That's the problem here, man. I was saving. I must say, I grow in a family-oriented mindset, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Like to give back to those that elders, give back. Like your mother and your father and all them things, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
And even though my father bring me on the site here, he always told me that I was in a better position than him because I was working for the company and he was a contractor, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
So, and after a while, he got sickly. People start to find him dropping down and work and all them things. They're feeling sickly. You know what I mean? So I have to be there with him and trying to get what he needs.
Got it.
And it was just me alone. I'm his only son, you know.
Okay.
I'm the only one for him.
Mm-hmm.
So I try to make sure he have a little food now and again at his house. And, you know, my girlfriend will go there on Christmas and, you know, wash up his things them and make sure him all clean and all them things like what we can do for him. And, you know, even though my mother is like, oh, she is a still would ride to St. Catherine still and try to give her even that 10 bucks if I can or whatever I can give her, you know what I mean?
So, yeah, sir.
So I try to make a little more that I'm getting. Carnival is feed it, so I just try to make it stretch for everybody. Or could make it stretch too, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
And my son in Kingston 13, I should have to go and see him and make a thing reach him as well, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
He do have a phone, I have to get him a phone and all them things, I get him his clothes and shoes. Whatever I can do, man.
Yes.
But as I said, it's just I wouldn't call it a honestly paid job. These work here underpaid get bad. These workers here, because you don't even see the mobile man at the site. The first site is to come, I don't see nobody at the site standing up waiting for a job. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, there are some sites that people is crowded up. You can hardly see the gate. People is lining up for work. You don't see that at this site here, man. This site here in Mobile, man.
Why is that?
They don't pay reasonable. They don't pay well.
Okay.
Come like it's anti-mode.
Yeah.
Cause look, you know, my job is as a subcontractor now is to chip the houses now. And it's $2,000 to chip one house. Big house, you have to chip outside there, it goes straight around the house.
For $2,000?
For $2,000. One house.
$2,000, brother?
Yeah. I have to buy gas to the bike, I have to buy lunch, I have to buy, you know what I mean? And trust me, if you can do 2 hours a day, you do good. Right now, you start make some double houses right now. So you get $4,000 for that double house there. You have to cut out, you have to use the LTI, jerk up yourself. You don't put out so much energy on the next man. So that's why you put out energy on my farm and on my land. I'm planting some cocoa and dashing and planting.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, man, because right now me have some planting here, man. One little sucker, I'm going to give me one little sucker. And the amount of time I cut planting off it.
Simple.
And I have the sucker them right here in front of my camp right now. I'm planning to root them up and bring the St. Elizabeth with me when I'm going down.
Yes.
I'm waiting now for this last day now to see if I can get the mechanics to start my car this time. You know,
And fix
to
it.
move it from over there after property and everything. But I don't know what's going to happen. Right now, the money is giving me a fight right now.
Yeah.
So, but make up my mind, man. Say St. Elizabeth is the destination, you know?
Well, I'm glad the program inspire you to stay in the good side, you know?
Yeah, man, because when I watch the program, I say, oh, most ways we can do this and stay at home. Because everybody's thinking about work. Even my girlfriend is dissuading me. I said she have to overwork because we tried Central is better already for 9 months and it was beer hungry. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Sure. We said that we left when the things them was just coming in. That's when we left when the planting them just starting to shoot and the banana them starting to shoot. We never get no time. No, say we was facing at the hungry days down there, but just needed to spend some more time.
You can't use the money and buy food, I'm up here. That is.
So you asked me earlier what I did to save it, I didn't save. So I'm making that all the things in 2.5 years I was working the company.
Exactly.
Buy a nice little old school car.
Yes.
Bring home plenty of people, bring home safely.
Look at use a real brother. Brother.
Bull Bay in St. Thomas. I went to St. Thomas with the car. I've been to Bull Bay. Been that boat with it.
I know the engine, something want to fix on it. What want to fix on it?
The gearbox.
The gearbox.
Yeah, I put fix the gearbox everything now, so I just want the lights I sure know.
Okay.
Just like black van. I don't want the black van. I'm doing the van.
Boy, you know.
Like I say, can't carry anywhere the van now, but it just want lights
you watch every video. Wait, I'm not hear you. You feel it out.
I said to myself, I wonder if you have the psychic ability if you realize that you have a person out in the world who I see and I go through every step with you, every jar of food with you.
Yeah.
Every taste of pork with you. As you know the Rasta man. Pull up the show, but jerk it to see me here. There is a jerk it up more with chicken to see me here. So. But I say we don't have all the locks to still that choppiness. I feel so this locks I keep me grounded.
Yes, sir.
I'm afraid if I cut it, I'm going to end up behind the bars again. So I try to keep it down. Stay positive. They look up to Rasta man to be a positive soul. And I look for him to be a bad man or a practice badness. Yeah, so I'm walking in any police station, I'm walking in any organization, tax office, anywhere. Doing that, I'm a Rasta man. Yeah, and you know, girlfriend get in the system, you know, she believe in her work, I'm not wrong her. But she now she say when them ready to get rid of you, lay off and everything, where go turn to?
You have to have your own. Even if a chicken, remember tell you, like you have to go start your chicken business straight when you're up on the farm, you see me?
Yeah.
You see?
So I know that grand auntie tell me say, Raymond, you come like let's go sell the land, because like you don't want it.
Bro,
I say no, aunt, mom want it, man, I mean I want it. But she's not going there. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I don't want you to tell me them things.
Sometimes you can leave the girlfriend I won't be here for a second and just you go do the thing so you don't have to move together.
Yeah.
And you balance it that way there and
I just bike me, I travel with still I'm a knapsack. I don't really have much trouble with them. They got everything to me. I got my bird paper, papers them, I walk up on my license them to occupies there.
Yeah.
We have much as possessions. I walk with. I'm finding the easier way that less stress.
Yeah.
Because when you have something valuable like a computer and somebody thief it from you.
Oh really Lord, man. You know, sometimes when people say to me, Randy, how come we don't see with a whole woman around you? Because me have a lot of things for me. So me not go from parish to parish with a bag of woman. No. And the people them where you sleep with cut your throat. You see? Hello. You fade out. Fade out.
I understand that, man, but I say, this woman, mom, she really build me in her life, you know?
Yeah.
She see me, I take chicken, when she just meet me, she see me, I take chicken from other people for sell and go back to pay them. She see me these thousands of dollar account to go get other people. She said, what? What are you going to go do with that? That's how people chicken they will take yesterday. She said, no, man, this is the last time that, man. And she give me a start, you know, she said, go buy your own chicken. So, I can't leave her, I feel like I owe my life for that move the way she make alone.
Yeah, for Maria, man.
Because I tell some be the mango woman at the market, I tell you. I think the grass green up on the other side of the man. Gone a big house and move out, you know. Even though the woman, the half hour in 2 hours, the woman tell me she can't give me a room for the 2 hours start out herself, you know. That's the deal that the woman make, you know. Because the system willing to help her out with her business and help her go bush and them thing there.
Yeah.
Innocently go to my girlfriend and make sure know say, yeah, the lady says she can give her a place to stay and start out herself while we are doing work. You know what I mean? And she refused it, you know. And I say, well, you can't refuse it, you know. I refuse an offer like this, you know. As the prison guard in terms of must be watchful opportunity, you know.
Yes, I.
And I thought that was an opportunity too, because I was my own business and thing. But even though I was away from my mom, I always think about her stable and how we've been through and how we got through and how she helped me when I never did have nothing and everything, you know? And when we realized I'm going to leave everything back with her, I just come back to her again now, man. And so I try to make it work.
Yeah.
Because the other lady now have too much traffic, you know?
Yes, sir.
Fear house have too much traffic compared to my the type of person who he is. Yeah. And especially COVID time now, you can't have too much traffic.
Oh, sir.
Yeah. So I just come home because myself, she got to tell myself to take my mind off of my car now and all them things, the old car, buy something new and all them things there. And for a minute then I cannot believe her, you know? And so once it's all, you got all of that spend on it and all them things. But so at least I'm mine. Because if you buy a car now, it's going to be yours. I'm going to feel good at the relationship here alone. I find the food here alone. I do your thing. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Well,
but else to build you. I need to build myself.
Everybody have to build themselves.
Yeah, man. So I'm just glad and grateful for that program. I couldn't believe that all the episodes I'm watching out already. Not more or less watch.
You really it's
that's why I want to find out how I can go home and survive at St. Elizabeth. You know what I mean?
You know, so you have to just have the farming link and the farming like even Soji. You know, Soji on the program in a South. You see me? Soji's a good man right up on the farm too. So you have to just get your links them, get your trees them, find your market. Start a chicken business, find where you're going to sell the chicken, and do your YouTube channel on your farm, The Good Deportee. Change your name, because your name is not a brand. You see me, your story is the brand, and you're proud to be a good deportee. You see me?
Yes, man, because I can't promise you, man, from them send me back home, man, I really never I've gone on a station again, man, could go be in a bar, they're going to more court, you know what I mean? Because we can change our life, man. That you could stretch that, change your life. Get time to see. Get time to see where you're going to do with your life.
Yes.
Try not to be institutionalized. That's our live a prison, so. You know what I mean? So, but all of the three, because as a reporter, you know, then if you get 7 years, you're going to 3.5 of it, you know.
Okay.
And I did my 3.5 years.
Yeah.
I had about 2 weeks. I had about 2 weeks left till we get deported, you know, 2 weeks. And all the letters that I used to write my father and my baby mother in Jamaica, no, that I used to read them over and over and over and over. The come like letters was getting bad. It don't be like the paper was tearing up.
Wow.
I can't believe I put myself in this situation. I should be home looking after my kids them and everything.
Yeah, man. You feel out again. Give me the first name again.
Raymond.
So all them story there, Raymond, where you tell us, nobody won't come after you for them, right?
No, sir. When you got that word once, man, you're not afraid again, man. That most Jamaican must learn. When you get shot, when you violently be shot down on the street and eat dirt, man. You know, worry about that again.
Real talk.
When people come over here looking at you, think you're dead. Because those days, I was when 99, there was no cameras then, there was no phone to take any picture. But I believe if there was phone in them time, people would go over me taking pictures and everything, because that was the scene at the time. One big crowd around me. Only the person that caused it assist me.
Well, you know, it's a pleasure for me to launch out the Good Deportee.
Yeah, man, I'm glad for that, man.
And Moya, text me your real name and we're going to start the thing, you see me? You're fade out, I can't hear you. Your phone must be hot.
I don't know phone thing, but just glad time I get the chance to talk with you, man.
No, man, may I go link because one day I want to ride on a bike.
I never know what
Oh.
catching on, man. Come on, catching on, man.
You see, that's why I'm not going live, you know, let me tell you. And you're me, I said to you. Let me tell you something. As good as me is, you know, enough people jealous, you know, brother. And them see the rise where me I make. So even me have to watch for my safety, you know, because me is a public figure. You see me? And enough boy out the road say, run never hold for money. No, me tell her, no, running out of money. You see me? So me have to be careful because enough boy out the road say certain things about me. Money and this and that. And me not go live much no more hardly. Because you have some people with the road, you know, them jealous, you know, green eye monsters. And them not like to see how much...
Them the one that was cool, that's kind of good when I say with trusty and make them everybody together. I feel good when they're together. But now more than ever, we go to Africa in the worst ghetto in the world. So me's a kind of stupid, fearless man. You see me? I must see the Indian in me. So me's kind of like a gypsy too. We not really fear much, you know? Yeah.
And when things come, it come and you just move away and that is the problem with me is that if me hear someplace bad, I just want to go. You see me? So me don't know if it's a craziness about me. Them tell me about flanker. Yo, Randy, flanker. Me say, eh? Flanker? Me I go flanker. Eh?
Why them go there, people them loving everybody nice.
Yes. So when I come through my beer, we're gonna link, man. And we're gonna jump on the bike and we're gonna ride through. Just make sure you can ride good and no pothole business and
yeah, man. This is a nice little bike, man, and thing. Anyway with them, I will meet up, man, and thing. My friend them from France come down more time and we'll meet up and tell them there, we don't stay, we'll go meet up. And thing.
Yeah, man, we're gonna launch you out. People are gonna love the vibe. The real lion, them are gonna love you. And them are gonna just call you and give you strength. Enough man abroad know how hard it is for man like you. And them won't put you through no badness. Them realize where you tried it. Because them know so you not go down the road there, so don't even try it. So anyway, text me your first name and I go edit a little call, yeah?
Yeah.
And me and you go still talk, man. So, no watch no face, man. When me reach my...
I'm saying the 18th, I go down, man, so...
You're going to send it, the 18th.
Put on a service. I put on a service and I'll flim from go up on the bike up, maybe I ride go down.
Yeah, why if you do that? Before you leave, me I go meet you in a Mobi, alright?
Yeah.
Me I go meet you, so don't worry about it, alright?
Yeah, man, early man, something nearby.
Respect. Later.
Yeah, listen, yeah.